Hello. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? Ah, my friend, my friend. Kekwan, Anemekwa. You say your husband. That man no be your husband. You go say your boyfriend. No be husband. Now your concubine your boyfriend. No be husband. Sorry now, my friend, no vex. What you expect when you pack your things to go meet man for house? You never pay your diary. Now you dey complain. Wetin dey complain for me now? Wetin you wan make I do? Ma advise you. Okay, I go advise you. Yeah? Because when you carry your load go meet the man, you call me say make I advise you. Now you don read, now you dey find my advice, make I advise you. My sister, the advice wey I go give you now be say, na you make yourself cheap for where the boy dey. The boy never open mouth to say he wan go see your people. You don carry your load go meet am. Wetin you expect? Wetin you expect? No, tell me wetin you expect. See, make I tell you, you see this life, men, na only when you see man, anyhow wey you like, says dem reach, they don't value you. They say they put you in the house. Even the one say we even put you for house, my sister, you go see the guy say I go dey choke. But your prayer be say make you choke come back. Talk less of you can't carry your load. Go meet her. Wey you never pay your diary. You just go visit and come kukuma reach there, come remain for the boy house. Wetin you want make the boy use you do? Na sex machine na. Na anytime when he hungry am, he go touch you. My sister, no be you say make I advise you. I just dey wake up oh. I just dey wake up now, baff, say make I just, before your cock, you come dey call me oh. Na that advice I dey give you oh. You know say my advice make you vex. Sorry oh. I don talk my own. Na my advice be that. Wetin I go fit advise you, my sister? As e don be like this, so carry your load dey go your house. Because the boy no tell you say make you come na to visit am. Him tell you, no be say tell you say make you carry all your ngbongbo come meet am for house. Because this one wey dey ground so before you go born one so, to pay your diary na till Jesus resurrect. So use your HQ now when e never too late, and use your idea. You dey hear me so? Na so I take dey advise so. Oya, bye bye. My beloved ones, you see today, the advice wey I dey give una be say, see men, anyhow wey you like, do them. If their mind no dey where you dey, e no dey. If their mind dey for Eliza, na the Eliza e dey. If their mind dey for Chinasa, na Chinasa side e dey. So anyhow wey you like, dey for their body, twerk oh, dance oh, do. If you like, make your breast stand like Opioro mango. If their mind no take you, no take you. So no kill yourself for anything, and no kill yourself for any man. When you go tell no man wey dey love you, the way he call you, the way he talk to you, the way he approach you, you don't understand. No be by sex. And if you don dey date man, come see say, hey, maybe they call you well before, you no come dey call you. My sister no say don dey see another person. No, you too begin dey withdraw. Now your sister dey talk Adabia. When you come across this video, subscribe, make other people hear am, because there is so many single ladies out there suffering all this. The boy go tell say, stay, I love you. He love you, no dey go see him parents, keep am for house. Now to love and make you dey pound you like pounded yam, say na sex. Abeg, women, may we use our head, may we use our HQ, may we use our brain. You dey hear so? Because when you don dey for him hand, don dey reach, don dey enter gberegodo, he go leave you, go pick another one. No, they dey even leave the one wey dey marry for house, go dey find another one outside where him breast stand like mango. Talk less of you wey don run for handle. So my sister, the beginning shall tell. Remember, be wise. As you dey friend the boy, you dey give am in the sweet, and you too dey use your own head though. Dey ask am how far. You know say e no go be waka. No use am do handbag. Make the whole generation, every state come know say this one na your boyfriend. Come dey block other men wey wan come your life. No try am. Any man wey wan know say he wan help you, only the advice wey he go dey give you sef, now you go know say this bob he correct or he no correct. You dey hear, everything no be about money. some kind times men dey stingy anyway, but any man wey stingy, wey no know say you go rub cream, you go wear pant, you go buy pad, you go do this one, you go my sister run. When he say him dey try you, wetin dey try you for? Na you be trier, you be trying machine. Make any man no try me o, because as you know say as I fine so I gats dey maintain the fine dey go. So my beloved love, una subscribe, share am, take care.